Hello and respect to all you there's. In everywhere that you live and hear me through this channel, I hope you all be fine, healthy and happy. In last video we have talked about verb be, affirmative plural and plural subject pronouns. But in this video we're going to talk about verb be negative. First we go to presentation. In presentation of this video we are going to talk about verb be negative. It means negative form of verb be. For example, he says, I'm not done, I'm Tim. I'm not done, I'm Tim. In this sentence, I'm not done. This is a negative verb be. So, negative statements. Negative statements, for example, I'm not Ellen, contractions, I'm not Ellen. You are not a teacher, contractions, you're not a teacher, or you aren't a teacher. He is not Jack, he's not Jack, or he isn't Jack. She is not Anne, she's not Anne, or she isn't Anne. It is not an eraser, it's not an eraser, or it isn't an eraser. We are not teachers, we are not teachers, we are not teachers, and we say we aren't teachers. You are not Emmy and Ed, you're not Emmy and Ed, or you aren't Emmy and Ed. They are not markers, they are not markers, or they aren't markers. In negative statements, after verb be, we add the word not to make it negative. It means when we want to say negative verb be, we must add not after verb be. For example, aim, are and is. These three are verb be or to be verbs. And when we use not with them, we make the negative sentences. Nothing else. Very easy. Only add not with verb be to make the sentence negative. For the contractions of verb be, first, what is contraction? Contraction means making short a word. For example, in here you have aim. You delete a, and instead of a you use apostrophe. You pronounce I aim, but in here you pronounce I'm. This is called contraction. For example, I am not Ellen. You say I'm not Ellen. In contraction of verb be, you with not, you can contract verb be or you can contract not. No problem. It means the answer, both the answers are the same. There is no difference in the meaning of these sentences. So we are continuing and we are coming to the exercises. The first exercise says complete these statements, use contractions. The first sentence, I'm not a teacher, I'm a student. Number two, he is John, he. What do we have here? Yes, he is not or he isn't Tom. I have told you, whether we say he is not or he isn't, they are both the same. It means if we contract to be verb or if we contract not, they are both the same. There's no difference in meaning. We are coming to number three. They pens. They are pencils. What do we have here? Yes, you're right. We have they are not or they aren't pens. They are pencils. Number three, you. Karen, you're Emma. So what do we have in this blank? Yes, of course. We have you're not or you aren't Karen. Number five, I, Marty, I'm Joe. So what do we have here? I have told you to use aim with I. So we have I'm not Marty or I'm not Marty, I'm Joe. Number six, it says it's a chair, it's a table. What do we have in this blank? Of course, we have it's not, or it isn't a table. Number seven, she's Christy, she Simon. So what do we have here? Of course, we have she's not. She's not or she isn't Simon or Simon. I'm sorry, that's Simon. Number 8, Your teachers, you students. So what do we have here? You're not or you aren't students. We are coming to the other exercise. It says look at the pictures, say the negative statements, use contractions. Number 1, teacher. He is not teacher or he isn't a teacher. Number 2 is student. So you say she's not or she isn't a student. Number 3, pen. So how can you say? Yes, we say it's not or it isn't a pen. Number 4, Simon. So how can you say? Of course, I'm not Simon. I'm not Simon. Number 5, students. So how can you say? Of course, they are not or they aren't students. Number 6, Bob and so. Of course, we are not or we aren't Bob and so. And this was the end of slideshow. And all the thoughts of this video was about verb be, and it means the negative structure or the negative sentences of verb be. If you have liked this video and the lectures, you can subscribe the channel for the next videos. I hope you all be fine, healthy and great, and always be happy and prosperous. Goodbye.